Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. But anyways, on the monthly time frame, I'm still looking at this as likely being an A, B, C of wave B. I still think this is 5 ways up of A. I still think it needs to make 3 ways down for B, and eventually probably another 5 ways up for the wave C. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, definitely a very strong move up last week, and it looks like it's going to probably continue up a little more this week. But to me, this seems like an extremely clear 5 waves down, very, very clear 3 waves up. I think this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for a wave C of wave B. So keep that in mind. Let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the week before last, you remember me talking about how this ABC correction didn't really look quite right, and I think the reason is because this right here was actually the A. I think this was supposed to be the wave B, and I think that this is now back into an uptrend for a wave C. I think it's going to go up to the 123 at 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected out the bottom of wave B to finish an ABC of wave 2 before it does end up continuing the downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think we're in a wave C right now. I think this is a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're in a wave 3 of wave C. So as long as it does not break structure to the downside, then we're still in that wave 3 of wave C, which I still think is probably more likely going to end up at least looking something like this for a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, just like I showed on the daily time frame. So keeping that in mind also, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. With all that information in mind, I am definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. I would not be trying to go long now. I would be trying to go long at the end of every single pullback I see though. So if it does make a decent little pullback, especially if it's a 3 wave pullback, then that's exactly where I would be looking to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Like I was explaining, I think we're in a wave 3 of wave C, which is actually a wave C of wave 2 on the much higher time frames. So for now, at least until we get a break of that higher high, higher low series on like the 4 to 8 hour time frame, I am for sure looking for logs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.